to make this shot.
Inbound, napunta kay Denzel Bowles. Bumitaw ng tref, top of the key. Short yan.
Oh my goodness!
Mark Barroca, hindi naman kinailangan.
Hindi kinailangan.
Dahil tumama naman sa ring. Binalipol ni Mark Barroca. And Denzel Bowles, hindi na niya mapigil yung kanyang napakalaking ngiti. Dahil si Mark Barroca, I mean, it was false presence of mind.
When you're the coach, you will say, oh!
Ay, hindi pala tumama.
Tama, board lang pala.
Tama yung ginawa niya.
Good decision for Mark Barroca. That is why he is in the PBA and we are just talking here because of presence of mind like that.
And from our angle, sensya na po, mga Pure Foods supporters, dahil sa angulo talaga namin, akala tumama sa ring talaga. All of us here at the booth. But Mark Barroca, you know, we saw a shot like that earlier in the season sa NBA naman.
Yes!
Na binalibol lang sa inbound. And grabe ang ginawa nito si Mark Barroca. So, we apologize for that, Mr. Barroca.
We needed that
Awesome
slow-mo. We needed that angle because from our vantage point, we saw or we thought that the ball hit the rim. But with the different camera angles, nakita natin, talagang hindi tumama ang layo ng bola, tumama sa gilid ng board.
Tumama sa Philippine flag.
Pero counted talaga dahil wala pang 0 dun sa ating shot clock na iba to na.